Stop living paycheck to paycheck. Many Americans earning over $100,000 a year struggle to manage their money, even though they earn a lot. This is surprising, as high earners also have trouble with expenses. The reasons for this are not what you might expect. Good incomes don't guarantee easy saving. Does this mean those who earn less will always struggle? Not necessarily. Let's explore why even well-off individuals face financial challenges and what can be done about it. According to LendingTree survey, about 64% of all Americans had trouble making ends meet for at least a while in last year. People earn more, struggle less, but not by much. A Zipia study found that 56% of Americans think earning $100,000 annually would make them rich. However, if they kept spending at their current level while earning $100,000, they could indeed become wealthier, assuming responsible financial habits. The catch is that most people tend to spend more as they earn more, hindering their progress. Instead of saving more with higher incomes, they often inflate their lifestyle with increased expenses like housing, cars, dining out, and vacations. The truth is, $100,000 doesn't have the same purchasing power as it did in the past. In earlier times, this income could cover a comfortable home, a good car, and family vacations multiple times a year. Unfortunately, $100,000 doesn't have the same buying power as it once did. The math is surprising. With an annual inflation rate of about 4, the dollar loses half its value every 18 years. So, a $100,000 income in 2005 is like earning $50,000 today. Considering that the average new car costs about $60,000 and the average home is over $500,000, you can see how expensive things are now. Even buying a basic home on a $50,000 income is hard. Also, after accounting for income tax, let's assume a $100,000 income becomes around $75,000 per year, or about $6,250 per month. While it's still good, it's quite different from the initial amount before taxes. As people earn more, they often spend more, regardless of their income level. Higher earners often fall into lifestyle inflation. Since they make more money, they tend to spend more too. Unlike those who struggle to cover bills, higher earners have room to increase their spending. For instance, they might choose a pricier apartment or dine at fancy restaurants. They feel they've earned this due to their high income. However, they might still perceive $100,000 as a lot, even though its value has decreased over time. This doesn't mean $100,000 isn't comfortable, but overspending keeps them financially mediocre. Rather than living within their means, their expenses match or exceed their income, causing financial strain. Many people spend their raises instead of saving them. Living below your means is crucial for financial stability. People often fail to plan for unexpected expenses, increasing their lifestyle instead of building an emergency fund. Financial advisors recommend setting aside savings equal to 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. Being ready for surprises is essential. Lacking savings leads to ongoing financial struggles. Without enough emergency savings, 58% of those struggling financially turn to credit cards, which is a temporary fix. Using credit delays the problem until the bill arrives, presenting tough choices, pay high interest with minimum payment, or clear the balance. Having a partner helps financially. 56% of married couples comfortably pay bills, compared to 40% unmarried and 36% divorced. A partner sharing housing costs is especially helpful for budgeting. However, the partner's money values matter. Being married to a spender causes issues. How can regular people combat inflation and keep their income's purchasing power? To ensure your income keeps up with inflation, some people change jobs or switch to higher-paying positions. Research suggests this is better than staying in a job with minimal raises that don't match inflation. Others can own businesses that can handle inflation or invest in assets like stocks and real estate. Once you break the cycle of financial struggle, progress becomes easier. Starting with small steps like paying off debt makes it simpler to save and invest. As you make these moves, momentum builds, offering hope for those feeling stuck in their current financial situation. Are people struggling to make ends meet because they don't know how to spend less than they earn? Or is rising inflation making it too hard? Post your thoughts and comment.